Hey folks, this is another in our series of YouTube and Facebook tutorials for admins. In this video we're going to go over how to shorten a URL, how to make a QR code, and going to look at some analytics for that stuff. So I'm going to start off here. It's my admin homepage. In this video we're going to go over long links. So here in this other tab I've got an example of one. I'll go ahead and copy that. And when I post it here, let's say this link is too long, or if I want to add it to Twitter or some other service, I'd like a shorter one. So I can just go ahead and copy that or cut it. And go over to this site called Bitly. There are lots of services that do this URL shortening, but Bitly is the one I usually go to. So when you first come to this page, it's going to ask you for a login, and you can choose and make an account. I would suggest it, because even though you can shorten without an account, it adds some features like customization and analytics if you do make one. So once you make one, you'll be introduced to this splash page, and here you'll see a list of the links I've already added, but if this is your first time, yours will be blank. So the way you interact with it is, there's a little icon that says paste a link here, and when you do that, you'll see this pop-up menu. It'll give you an option to copy it directly, but also to change this text that comes after the bit.ly link. So you can add some relevant name to it, as long as that link hasn't already been taken. You can also add a note, you can change the privacy settings, and then you can share it from this page right here. So I'm going to scroll down to a link that I shared before with some good analytics to show you an example. So if you want to see some more information about a specific link, you gotta highlight it with your mouse cursor. Go over to that eye icon. It'll give you this drop-down series of options here. I'm going to click on the eye again. And then here you'll see a list of when your link was clicked, who is referring to you, from where, and some useful data to understand how your links are being consumed and dispersed. So the last special feature of Bitly account lets you do is to create an instant QR code. It's this little mesh looking icon here. When I click on that, it's going to show me this code that I can print out, that I can copy or scan and put anywhere I want on any physical object. And the way this works is you download any QR scanner app for any smartphone, and there are different options for iOS and for Android, and I think for BlackBerry as well. So this code is actually like a link. So when a phone scans this image, if you print it out, put it anywhere, put it on anything, they'll get directed to the link that you shortened through your Bitly. So that'll be another source of referrals. So those are the advantages of shortening your link, using a service like Bitly, and how to use a QR code and what that means.